Peace family, Will Roundtree here with today's credit tip for the day. Now today's credit tip is making sure that you do not close your old credit card accounts. And what do I mean by that? So let's say you have a credit card, and you finally got it paid off, you're excited, it's been maxed out for the past 2 or 3 years. You come up with a strategy, paid it off, you have a zero balance, and then you decide to close the card. Well, guess what? Closing that card can actually drop or lower your credit score. And the reason that is because 35% of our credit scores is based upon payment history. Now, let's say that was your oldest credit card or even your oldest account on your credit report. So let's say that card was 15, 10, or even 7 years old. You paid it off, you decide to close it. Now your score just dropped potentially, up to 100 points, which I have seen. So you want to be very careful about not closing old accounts because that is tied to your payment history, which is almost the same way why paying off an auto loan or mortgage early, especially if you have a thin credit file, can drop your score because now you're going to lose payment history. So again, family, just be careful. If you do, so happen to pay off that credit card, just put it up, put it in a safe, cut the card up, whatever you got to do, but do not close it because you want to make sure that you keep a pretty dense credit profile. This way you can keep your scores healthy. So when you do need your credit, it's there for you. I always say, I'd rather have it and not need it than to need it and not have. So this was your credit tip for the day. This is Will Roundtree, and I'll see you at the top. Peace.